Good morning. Today is 3rd June and we are aware that today is World Club Foot Day, and most of us are aware that it is a deformity which is present since birth, and it is one of the most common congenital musculoskeletal anomaly. The child usually is born either unilateral or with bilateral deformity where the foot are turned inward and upward and the heel is slightly up. So if this condition is treated in time, then there is no more handicap to the child. But if it is neglected or the treatment is not appropriate or not in time, then it definitely is a problem. So I am Dr. Vivek Singh, Associate Professor Orthopedics at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh. And since inception of our institute in 2012, we have started services in 2013, and our clubfoot clinic, dedicated clubfoot clinic, was started in March 2017. And we are thankful to Cure International, who are providing us support in the form of counseling, counselors and braces and some other social support in conducting this clinic. So far, in last 1 year, we have treated approximately 134 cases of new cases of clubfoot, and it is one of the biggest clinic in Uttarakhand. The total number of clinics in Uttarakhand are 7, and the AIIMS Rishikesh clinic is one of the biggest clinic. And apart from this, we are aware that Cure is organizing and supporting almost more than 250 clinics all over the country. So we are thankful to them. So today is World Clubfoot Day. The problem in India is that even though the deformity is well recognized in time, but the parents and the caregivers, they are not aware that this can be treated adequately if the patient can be taken to a healthcare facility. Every week the child has to undergo casting, and the treatment is prolonged in the form of repetitive follow-ups, and he or she has to wear braces for up to 4 to 5 years of age. The problem with these children is that most of the children in India, they belong to the lower or middle socioeconomic strata, and the parents may not be aware that what to do. So here comes the role of the counselors and the NGOs who go door to door. They help the patients in coming to the clinic. Most of the times the plaster treatment is free, and the braces which are provided are also free. So I would like to thank my team. We are one of its kind in India, where we are running MCH in pediatric orthopedics, and we have 2 of our residents here, Dr. Rampriya and Dr. Varun, and Dr. Sunny is also helping us in making this video. And we are also supported by our junior resident and our nursing staff, who are doing a great job. So I would urge all the parents of the patients who are inflicted with this problem that this is a treatable condition. You should bring your child to the clinic well in time. You have to follow up regularly, and you have to take care that your child does not forego brace treatment, because compliance to brace is most important part of this clubfoot problem. So from a deformity, this is no more a handicap. Thank you.